Hello developers, in this video we will start the array methods. So firstly I will give you the overview of what are array methods and what are the commonly used array methods. So array methods in JavaScript are inbuilt functions that allows you to perform various operations on arrays. Okay, so there are some commonly used array methods. One is push method. It adds one or more elements to the end of an array and returns new length of array. Second one is pop method. It removes the last element from an array and returns that element. Third one is shift method. Shift method removes the first element from an array and returns that element. Fourth one is unshift method. It adds one or more elements to the beginning of the array and returns the new length of array. So difference between push and unshift is, so push method add one or more elements to the end of array, but unshift adds one or more elements to the beginning of the array. And fifth one is concat method. So concat combines two or more arrays into a new array. Sixth one is slice method. Slice returns a shallow copy of a portion of an array without modifying the original array. Seventh one is splice method. Splice method adds or remove elements from an array, modifying the original array. Eighth one is forEach method. So forEach method executes a provided function once for each array element. Ninth one is map method. So map method creates a new array with the results of calling a function on every element. So 10th is filter method. So it creates a new array with elements that pass a specified test. So 11th one is reduce method. So reduce method reduces the array to a single value using a reducer function. 18th point is find method. So find returns the first element that satisfies the provided tested function. So next point is find index. Find index returns the index of the first element that satisfies a testing function. Next one is sum method. So sum method checks if at least one array element passes a specified test. And next one is every method. So every checks if all the elements in the array pass a specified test. So difference between sum and every is sum checks only at least one array element that passes a specified test, but every check all the elements in the array that pass a test. Next one is include methods. So include method checks if an array contains a specified element. Next one is sort method. Sort method sorts the element of an array in place. Next one is reverse method. So reverse method reverses the order of elements in an array in place. Next one is flat method. So flat method flattens the nested arrays to a specified depth level. Okay. So next one is flat map. So flat map maps each elements, then flattens the result into a new array. Next one is index of method. So it returns the first index at which a given element can be found in an array. So we will discuss all these methods with some basic examples in the upcoming videos so that we can get the better clarity on all these concepts.